Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by positioning the car on a level surface and chalking the front wheels, safety first. Jack the rear and place solid stands under the subframe so the suspension droops slightly. Spray penetrating oil on the upper mount nut and lower bolt, then loosen both while the weight is supported. Once the nuts back off, remove the lower bolt, then the upper nut. Use a second hand to catch the shock as it frees. Make sure to note absorber orientation and any spacers or washers for reassembly. Now pull the worn shock straight out, checking the top mount and bushing for damage so you don't reinstall a bad part. Take the new V3 and match its orientation to the removed unit. Align the eyelets and slip any original washers or spacers back in the same order. Hand thread the upper nut and lower bolt so nothing cross-threads. Once both are snug, torque them to the vehicle specification. If the shock has a preload or click setting, set it per the manufacturer before final torque. With the shock torqued, reinstall the wheel and lower the car to the ground, torque lug nuts to specification. Cycle the suspension several times to seat the shock and compress the mounts, then recheck the shock mounting torque. Listen and feel for noises. If the new V3 feels harsh, reduce preload or adjust the click setting one step and retest. If you hear a clunk, make sure bolts are torqued, bushings and mounts aren't damaged, and spacers are in the correct order before calling a shop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.